some road work. It's so pretty. Swipe mad. The view's so beautiful. It's so pretty. Another viewpoint. The sun is shining strong, but there's also a lot of clouds. So beautiful. It's day 4 at Nan province and we're heading to Doi Sakad. This is our first stop today and it's still morning. The fog is still quite thick. It looks really nice and I guess this is what most Thai tourists are coming after. Really nice and cool up here.
It's right now 23 degrees.
23 degrees, wow. And we're in the car without air conditioner because we don't need it. It's cool enough without AC. In fact, it's cooler than AC. Looks like a horror movie scene. So excited. our second stop is Tat Man waterfall, and it's been a crazy maze, like from the main entrance till here. It's more than a kilometer, maybe 2. Yeah, and finally we reached, and yeah, it's pretty empty. It looks kind of abandoned, but there is electricity in the bathroom. There's nobody here at all, and how the houses look very empty. Nobody charged us anything. There was just nobody. So yeah, we'll check out the waterfall. So this is a swimming area. I guess you can swim in this super red water. maybe not. We reached. Woo. So what do you think of the waterfall?
It's dirty. There's a lot of mosquitoes.
Oh yeah. But at least there is a waterfall. Better not swim here. This is possibly the brownest waterfall I've ever seen.